Hi guys, welcome back to Martin the Vlogger YouTube channel. Today's video is a very short video that can help you with your Can-Am Spyder RT 2020 Plus models. So this is 2025 and I will use it. This video is about MOT inspection that you call it in the UK. In most of the Europe, it is about technical and emission inspection. In some other places, it can be a road safety or road legal inspection, whatever. Basically, what this video will tell you is where to find two important information that might be useful for you. So, of course, for these inspections, you need official like paper with the bike, but also you will need to find, in most cases, engraved VIN number and some special sticker. We are at the one inspection right now, so the same request came to me. So this video will tell you where to find those on RT 2020 Plus models. So now, enough of this bullshit. Let's get started. First, what we will do, we will search for engraved VIN number. In our area, I believe in most cases, you will need to have not to have it on a sticker, you need to have it engraved on the frame, on a part of the motorcycle that cannot be easily removed. So where it is, you need to be on a side where is the brake pedal, go to the front wheel, go where you have these A-arms, and go between these two plastics. So you go with your like eyes or head or whatever, and right over there. Do you see it? Do you see it right over there? So that's the VIN number that it's engraved onto the part that you cannot remove. Now, what we need also in our area is like official sticker by BRP about the date of production, whatever, some other things. Now I will show you where to find an official sticker. It's not a sticker like this that you will find many on the bike, but it's a black one with date of production, where it was assembled, again, VIN number and additional information. This is tiny bit new to me, but it's requested here, at least in Slovakia. So in case you will need to search for it, you need to go on the side where is the belt. You will need to lie down on the floor because you will have a big piece of plastic in there. And you need to go, where is this protector? Rear axle cap, right? This is the protector. Here you have belt. And here will be the black and kind of transparent sticker with the VIN number. So you will need to go from underneath of it here, look with your head here, or take a picture with the phone, show it to the technician, do whatever. But you will find it right on the belt side, on the frame, under the, or between top part and bottom part of the belt. Before I will go, I'll share with you what is the story in my country, but also I would like to ask you, share in the comments, where are you from? What is the name of this inspection? Is it MOT? Is it emission, technical, inspection, safety, whatever? Where are you from, the name, and how often you need to do it? My story is, in Slovakia, Europe, we call it technical and emission inspection. Actually, for motorcycles, as of today, I don't have to do emission inspection, only the technical one. So if the bike can brake, if the lights are okay, if the color is the same, and if it's that bike, right? So the VIN number is important. If I have the papers corrected or equal to the number of the VIN on the bike. I need to do it first time after 4 years. So new bike, 4 years later, I need to do it. And then I need to do it every other 4 years. Yeah. And I need these two things that I showed you. I need a paper, like a birth certificate or like really the paper from the bike. And I need something that is called an insurance, like we call it a legal insurance. So that's something I need to present. Then they will give me a stamp. So I'm all good to go. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case this video, you like, this video helped you, subscribe, like, have the notifications on, because every time we make a new video, you will be notified. And remember, well, reply to my question or not, it's your call, but always have fun.